Now, must everyone, hope you guys are doing amazing. This video is all about showing you how to wear a Mundu. It's very easy. I have put 20-30 seconds video, of course you might have seen, but still, since a lot of you wanted a detailed video on the same, I thought I'll make one for you. So we can tie Mundus in different ways, and I'll show you the first method. So you just have to take the Mundu like this, wrap it around you. So you're not supposed to take equal halves. Make sure the right, I mean this pattern is on your left leg. Basically pull it this side, make sure it is here, and then once you have pulled enough, hold this end, mm, and pleat it like this, 3-4 folds, so that it comes exactly here, and when you fold it comes here, and then you just have to do this. If you see this portion below, then lift this a little up so that it is not seen, and then you just have to set it like this. Once you have got the line here, now you just have to fold this like this, roll it. Yep, it's gonna look like this from the back, and this is my back. And from the front it's gonna look like this. Very neat. You just have to wear a shirt on this, and then you are going to kill the look. And also, this is in general, and if you feel you cannot move your legs too much, you just have to do this. Lift your left leg first, left, and then this end, lift it up like this, and then right leg, this end, right end first inside, left end you just have to tuck it inside this. So it's gonna look something like this. So yes, this is one of the methods which you must try. I'll show you another method that is also quite simple and easy. As usual, take the Mundu like this. No equal halves in this as well. This pattern should come here. Pull this side. Yep, we are good to go. In the last style, we were holding this end here. In this style, you just have to hold this end. And then just take it like this. Okay, now you can see this is here, this is here, and then pull this, and then once you pull, you have to tie a knot at the back. Proper knot, 2 knots preferably, so that it doesn't fall. Then you just can, to make it look neat, you can set it accordingly. This is also quite simple. Same way, left, right, right, left. That's it. So if this video was helpful to you, please do like and share, and also do not forget to comment. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. And comment below what style you want to see next.